Live reporting allows you to have the insights and capabilities to make better purchasing and inventory management decisions. Let's take a look at some of the new reports that Ply has recently launched. You'll notice now that there's a new tab over on the left-hand side called Reports. Within Reports, we have added a number of default reports that allow you to kickstart where you want your reporting to come from. You can see here that we have launched low stock reporting that allows you to identify materials that have hit a low stock and create a replenishment list. Dead shelf stock allows you to easily maintain and filter for items that are 30, 60, 90 days in a dead shelf stock state. Movement reporting, you'll be able to easily identify and find out why and how some of the materials have been moving from locations to jobs or from warehouses to trucks and warehouses to jobs. And variance reporting. This allows you to find variations and anomalies within your inventory, such as duplicate materials or items that look like they've been fat-fingered with inventory. Let's take a look at a few of these. I'm going to click on low stock. And in the low stock reporting, you'll be able to see the current amounts below here. And you'll be able to filter by a number of different durations, as well as different locations here, create a report that better matches what you're looking for. In dead shelf stock, you'll be able to see the movement of materials and the lack of movement of materials between each of your locations. You'll see here that we have the total number of materials in the 30, 60, and 90-day windows. When you expand out the menu, you'll be able to see in more granular detail the last updated at, and you can take some actions like creating transfers, deleting materials, or creating an RFQ in cases where you need to order additional items. You can filter by a number of durations, as well as any option here, including last updated at, categories, and filters. The next report we're going to take a look at is movement reporting. This report allows you to see the reason why items are moving between different locations, and then a visual of how those materials are moving and flowing throughout the organization. You'll be able to filter by the location, as well as reason code. And finally, we're going to take a look at variance reporting, which allows you to identify and help you better manage and groom your catalog. So you can see here right now, we have the ability for you to see duplicates and items without locations. This allows you to identify items that you can delete from your inventory if you need to, or if they don't have a location, ensure that they have a location within the organization. Some future reporting that we're going to be launching are location comparison, which is coming up in a future release, inventory count sheet, PO invoicing reporting, which allows you to see all of the invoices that have been processed through Ply, and supplier reporting, which allows you to filter and view that information from each of your suppliers. Additionally, you'll be able to create custom reports, and those custom reports will be saved below the default reports. If you have any questions about reporting, please let us know.